Hello students, so today we will start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Expressing the Past. So let's start. Chapter 10 Expressing the Past. Now verbs expressing the past. अब कौन कौन से verbs हैं जो हमारे past को express करते हैं? Now use of verb be. Be verb जो होता है past का होता है was and were. They were the past forms of be. I was amazed at how clean the house was. We were surprised by their eagerness to help us. She was very happy with her new car. So all the words in color are the past tense form of the verb be. तो इसमें जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं कलर में वो सब बी के पास्ट टेंस है. यूज ऑफ वर्ब हैड हम पास्ट फॉर्म यूज करते हैं हैज और हैव की. एवरीबडी नोज कि इंडिया हैज अ रिच एंड ग्लोरियस पास्ट. इंडिया हैड फिजिकल, फाइनेंशियल एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल स्ट्रेंथ. बट विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम फॉरेनर्स इन्वेडेड इंडिया एंड फॉलोड द पॉलिसी ऑफ डिवाइड एंड रूल. As a consequence, India did not have internal unity and they had to rule under slavery for more than 3 centuries. The words in color are the past tense form of the verb have. तो अब जो ये कलरफुल वर्ड्स है ये पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म है किसकी? हैव की. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. तो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस इज नॉर्मली यूज्ड होता है व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इवेंट्स, एक्शंस और सिचुएशंस व्हिच अकर्ड इन द पास्ट एंड नाउ फिनिश्ड. फॉर्म फॉर्म अब होती है एफर्मेटिव पॉजिटिव फॉर्म. सब्जेक्ट के साथ वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म लगाते हैं. ये होता है हमारा स्ट्रक्चर सिंपल पास्ट का. नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस होता है डिड के साथ सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब क्योंकि डिड इज अ पास्ट ऑफ टू. एफर्मेटिव में हम यूज करते हैं आई वी यू डांस्ड, ही शी इट के साथ स्टॉप्ड, सुमन डांस्ड. इसी का नेगेटिव बनाओगे आई वी यू डिड नॉट डांस, ही शी इट डिड नॉट स्टॉप, सुमन डिड नॉट डांस. इंटेरोगेटिव डिड वी डांस, डिड यू दे डांस, डिड ही और शी इट स्टॉप, व्हाई डिड यू कम लेट. नेगेटिव में इंटेरोगेटिव बनाओगे डिड वी नॉट डांस, डिड यू या दे नॉट डांस, डिड ही शी इट नॉट स्टॉप, व्हाई डिड यू नॉट कम लेट. यूसेज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस हम यूज करते हैं टू डिस्क्राइब एन इवेंट या एक्शन दैट हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. कि कोई भी इवेंट कोई भी एक्शन जो पास्ट में हुआ हो. शी वेंट टू दिल्ली येस्टरडे. तो टाइम गिवन है कल. I learned Spanish in Spain. The time is implied and definite. When did you see the film? The time is asked for. अब टू डिस्क्राइब अ हैबिचुअल या फिर रिपीटेड एक्शन जो भी पास्ट में हुआ, जैसे कि आई प्लेड चेस एज अ चाइल्ड, माई ब्रदर नेवर टोल्ड अ लाई. To denote an action that continued to for some time in the past, like for example, my uncle worked in Tata Consultancy for a long time. Ramanujan lived in England for some time. Exercise. Use the correct form of the verbs in the given in brackets. The principal dashed those students who were disturbing the class. The principal punished dash I dashed the movie yesterday. I watched. All political prisoners were dashed on Independence Day. So all political prisoners were pardoned on Independence Day. Chetan dashed in the same class for 2 years. Chetan continued in the same class for 2 years. Now comes to the next. Rewrite the following story using past tense of the verbs given in brackets. Like Vikas and Shubham dashed to a forest. So Vikas and Shubham, simple past tense hai, went to the forest. There they dash a den. So there they saw a den. Vikas dashed to enter the den. Vikas tried to enter the den, but Shubham dashed him. But Shubham stopped him. They dashed the roar of a tiger. They ran after they heard the roar of a tiger. Both of them climbed a tree. Shubham dashed careless, so he dashed from the tree. Shubham was careless, so he fell from the tree. Just then a wolf came there. Like this, you have to fill the rest of the parts. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to describe the past situation or actions that were in progress at some times in the past में जो progress में था. Like when we got to the house yesterday morning, the baby was drinking a bottle. जब हम हाउस वी गो टू मतलब yesterday morning की बात हो रही है. जब हम कल सुबह गए थे घर पे तो वो दूध पी रहा था. तो he was waiting home all day when she sent him the message. Alam was cutting the grass the other day when the snake appeared. So I was not sleeping when you go home last night. All the words in the bold letters, they are past continuous tense. Like form, एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस होते हैं सब्जेक्ट के साथ वॉज वर प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी, नेगेटिव है तो सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज वर नॉट प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी, और इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस वॉज वर प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी। एफर्मेटिव होता है आई वॉज प्लेइंग, और इसी का नेगेटिव आई वॉज नॉट सिंगिंग। आई वॉज, वी और यू वर सिंगिंग, वी यू वर नॉट सिंगिंग। He she it was singing, he she it was not singing. They were singing, they were not singing. Suman was singing, Suman was not singing. फिर आता है इंटेरोगेटिव, was I singing, were we you they singing, was he she it singing, was Suman singing. Negative interrogative, was I not singing, were we you they not singing, was he she it not singing, was Suman not singing. Usage. अब दिस टेंस इज यूज्ड, अब ये वाला टेंस हम यूज करते हैं टू शो एन एक्शन इन प्रोग्रेस एट सम मोमेंट इन द पास्ट, कि पास्ट में किसी टाइम पर ये एक्शन चल रहा था, जैसे चिल्ड्रन वर वॉचिंग, द चिल्ड्रन वर हैविंग लंच, द बेल वाज रिंगिंग, तो ये काम आपका पास्ट में चल रहा था। टू डिस्क्राइब अ पास्ट एक्शन दैट इज ऑफन रिपीटेड, कोई एक्शन जो पास्ट का जो रिपीट हो रहा हो। सम पीपल वर स्पिटिंग इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस, तो ये रिपीटेडली चीजें हो रही हैं। ओल्ड मैन वॉज ऑलवेज डिस्करेजिंग द चिल्ड्रन। टू डिस्क्राइब अ कंटिन्यूइंग एक्शन इन द पास्ट एज द अदर रिलेटेड is completed, like for example, as we were doing our practice the teacher came in, हम अपनी practice कर रहे थे, teacher आ गई। She was reading a very old book when she came upon an old photo. Now let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verbs given in the bracket, simple past tense or past continuous. While he dash a road, he dash with an accent. While he was crossing a road, he met with an accident. He dashed asleep while he fell asleep while he was watching TV. When he was having dinner, someone knocked at the door. While I dashed the room, he dashed a letter. While I entering the room, while I was entering the room, he wrote a letter. I dashed a parcel from my aunt last week. I received. Now comes the next is past perfect tense. The past perfect tense refers to past action that occurred before another action से पहले होता हो। फॉर्म एफर्मेटिव बनाएंगे, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब। इसी का नेगेटिव बनाओगे, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस नॉट लगा देंगे, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। और इंटेरोगेटिव में हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। एफर्मेटिव, आई वी यू दे हैड डांस्ड, आई वी यू दे हैड नॉट डांस्ड। ही शी इट हैड डांस्ड, ही शी इट हैड नॉट डांस्ड। चिल्ड्रन हैड डांस्ड, चिल्ड्रन हैड नॉट डांस्ड। इंटेरोगेटिव, had I we you they danced, had I we you they not danced, had he she it worked, had he she it not worked, had Suman played, had Suman not played, who had played, who had not played. Usage, this tense is used to describe an action completed before a definite point in the past. अब ये एक्शन डिस्क्राइब करता है जो एक किसी पॉइंट टाइम पीरियड से पहले वो खत्म हो चुका, लाइक आई हैड कंप्लीटेड माई होमवर्क बाय 8 PM. They had opened a new restaurant 1980. Up to describe a completed action in the past before another action in the past begin. Like for example, dog had drunk the milk before my sister saw it. Students had entered the classroom before the bell rang. In the conditional clauses में to describe something that did not really happen. Like for example, if you had cleared the test, you would have got the job. If you had hired a taxi, you would have reached on time. Now let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense and past perfect tense of the verbs given in brackets. The doorbell dash while I dash a bath. The doorbell rang while I was having a bath. Yesterday Mary dashed me Tony's address before she left. Yesterday Mary gave me Tony's address before she left. Before we dash at the cinema, the film dash. Before we arrived at the cinema, the film has already started. She lost her last chance, so she had to repent. So like this, you have to fill the rest of the parts of the given exercise. Next is your past perfect continuous tense. Action is progress throughout a period. The past perfect continuous हम use करते हैं for action in progress during an earlier time in the past. Past perfect continuous को हम use करते हैं for actions जो progress में थे past में, often with consequences at that time, और उसके जो result थे उसके साथ भी वो भी थे. So depending on the activity, this action may or may not still be in progress at the present time. So this often occurs with all plus time references. Like for example, she was very tired, she had been typing all day. So depending on the context, she was either still typing or had recently stopped. Some verbs like learn, live, lie, range, sit, sleep, stand, study, wait, work, etc. naturally suggest करते हैं continuity and often occur with the past perfect continuous, typically used with since or for, and also in questions beginning in how long. For example, when we first met Anil, so he had been working for the Guptas for 15 years. Depend करता है context पर. Anil was either still working for the Guptas then or had recently changed jobs or retired. तो विद कंटिन्यूटी वर्ब सिंपल और कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म्स को हम इंटरचेंजेबल हो सकते हैं. इन द अबव एग्जांपल ही हैड वर्क कुड बी यूज्ड बट द कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस एम्फसाइज करता है. कॉन्टिन्यूस का मतलब हमेशा कॉन्टिन्यूटी होता है कि वो चीज़ चल रही है, बनी हुई है. रिपीटेड एक्शंस, द पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस यूज होता है शो दैट एक्शन वाज फ्रीक्वेंटली रिपीट हो रहा है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, आई वाज अनॉयड, रमेश हैड बीन स्पीकिंग टू मी एवरी मॉर्निंग फॉर अ होल वीक. नाउ लेट्स डू द एक्सरसाइज. चेंज द वर्ब्स इन ब्रैकेट्स टू पास्ट परफेक्ट, पास्ट सिंपल या पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. प्रेरणा डैश सम डिलीशियस जामुन्स. तो पास्ट परफेक्ट में हम लगाते हैं हैड बीन और सिंपल पास्ट होगा तो सेकंड फॉर्म. तो द प्रेरणा हैड बीन प्रिपेयरिंग. द गेस्ट हैड लेफ्ट व्हेन यू कॉल्ड. शी डैश फ्रेंच फॉर 2 years. She had been studying French for 2 years when she dashed to Paris. When she went to Paris. Both Raj and Ravi dashed for the job. Both Raj and Ravi had been applying for the job. My English teacher dashed me a good report last term. Had given. Like this, you have to complete the rest of the parts. Next comes your present perfect tense. फॉर्म इसका जब प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का स्ट्रक्चर पॉजिटिव होता है, सब्जेक्ट के साथ हैज हैव प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म. नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए सब्जेक्ट हैज हैव प्लस नॉट प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म. और इंटेरोगेटिव में हैज हैव के साथ सब्जेक्ट प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म होती वर्ब. एफर्मेटिव, वी आई वी यू दे हैव डांस्ड. ही शी इट हैड डांस्ड. चिल्ड्रन हैव डांस्ड. आई वी यू दे हैव नॉट डांस्ड. ही शी इट नॉट डांस्ड. चिल्ड्रन हैव नॉट डांस्ड. Interrogative. Have I, we, you, they danced? Has he, she worked? Has Suman played? Who has played? Negative. I have, we, you, they not danced. Has he, she not worked? Has Suman not played? Who has not played? The present perfect is a sort of mixture of present or past. It can be seen as a present tense which looks backward to the past. Usage. Present perfect tense is used for to refer to the past with the present time. For example, my parents have always worked for our better future. He has always stood against discrimination. तो ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस होता है कि वो पास्ट की चीज जिसका प्रेजेंट के साथ कनेक्शन हम शो कर रहे हैं. टू एक्सप्रेस व्हाट हैपेंड इन द पास्ट में क्या हुआ था बिना कोई स्पेसिफिक टाइम स्टेट करे. जैसे कि शी हैड read the article but she does not remember the details. India has developed an anti-terrorism device. To express an action that has just been completed, for example, the match has ended. They have just submitted their project. Exercise, let's start. Fill in the blanks with simple past or present perfect tense of the verb. Brackets. I dash your father yesterday. सिंपल पास्ट में हम लगाते हैं वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म, लेकिन जब प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट होता है तो हम हैज हैव लगा देते हैं. तो आई सॉ योर फादर yesterday. Her father dashes business to another city. Her father has shifted. He was in the library when he dashed his purse. When he lost his purse. I dash for his job but have not got any call letter. I have applied. Like this, you have to complete the rest of the parts. Present perfect continuous tense. Form. Affirmative बनाएंगे सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैज हैव प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी. सिंस या फॉर हम ऐड कर देते हैं. नेगेटिव बनाना है तो सब्जेक्ट के साथ हैज हैव नॉट बीन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी या सिंस फॉर. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस कैसे बनते हैं? हैज हैव प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी. For since लगा दिया, has have plus subject plus been plus verb की first form plus ing. Affirmative, I, we, you, they have been looking for you since 8 a.m. He, she, it has been looking for 2 hours. Negative बनाना है, I, we, you, they have not been looking for you since 8 a.m. He, she, it has not been looking for 2 hours. Interrogative, have I, we, you, they been dancing since afternoon? Has she, it been working for 2 hours? Negative interrogative, have I, we, they not been dancing since afternoon? Has she, he not been working for 2 hours? So this tense is used to express an action that began at some moment in the past or अब तक progress में. Like for example, I have been sleeping for 3 hours. It has been drizzling since 10 a.m. कोई भी action describe कर already finished but its effect continues. Like for example, my mother has been busy all day and it is now in bed. He is panting because he has been digging for an hour. फिर आता है past perfect continuous tense. इसका affirmative subject plus had plus been verb की first form plus ing. फिर इसका negative subject had not been plus verb first form ing. और interrogative had subject plus been verb की first form ing. We use time expressions since for in the same way as we use them in present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Affirmative, I had been laughing, we had been laughing. इसी का negative बनेगा, had not been laughing, we had not been laughing. Interrogative. Had I, we, you, they been laughing, had he, she'd been laughing. Negative interrogative बनाना, had I, we, you, they not been laughing, had he, she, it not been laughing. Usage. This tense is used for to describe an action that began before a certain moment in the past and continued up to that moment or stopped just before it. Like for example, Nitin had already been suffering from viral fever for 2 days when she consulted a doctor. When we saw Nalini, she had been knitting a sweater since Monday. To describe a repeated action in the past perfect. For example, Kuwait had tried many times to learn the harmonium. Political leader had been trying to hide the truth. Note, the past perfect is commonly used when the activity was definitely finished, and then the past perfect continuous is normally used when activity was not completed then. Now let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with past perfect continuous tense. The receptionist dash applications for the interview. The receptionist had been accepting. The delivery boy dashed the parcel on time at the destination. Had not been delivering. They dashed much because of their friend's absence. They had not been enjoying. Supply the present perfect or present perfect continuous tense हमें supply करना है. I dash all your letters, please take them. I have been ringing. Akriti dash for 3 hours. Soon she will have to stop. So Akriti has been writing for 3 hours and soon she will have to stop. So he dash his work and he's going home now. He has been finishing his work and he's going home now. So I hope you all have understood this chapter. You all can go through it again, learn the rules, practice it more, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.